Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix can't chat in Roblox. This issue usually happens due to privacy or communication settings being restricted. First, leave any game if you are currently in one. Just go ahead and leave your game. Then click on More and go to Settings, just like so. From here, navigate to Privacy and Content Restriction. Now you'll see the Communication tab. Go inside Communication and open Experience Chat. Make sure you set Experience Chat to On and Direct Chat to On, just like so. After that, go back once and open Party Settings. Then toggle Party to On and Group Party to On as well. These settings are optional and only affect party chat and direct messages. Once done, close the settings window and join any game again. The chat should now appear and work properly in-game. If the chat is still missing, sign out of your Roblox account, then sign back in. After logging back in, open a game and check the chat again. And that's it. You've learned how to fix Roblox chat not showing by adjusting communication and privacy settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.